In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, Luqman Al-Hakim School, English Language, Miss Amal Ismail for 9th grade. Today is Saturday and the date is 19 September 2020. In the last lesson we talked about people from the past. إذن حكينا عن أشخاص من الماضي. They were famous, مشهورين. We explained the lesson and write the new vocabularies. Today we have some questions about the lesson with their answers. So I'll read the question with the answer. الآن واجبك كتابة هاي الأسئلة على الدفتر. Question number 1. Who is Tutankhamun? He is one of the most famous ruler in the history. Question number 2. What did Carter find inside the tomb? He found a superb collection of valuable objects. True or false? Howard Carter is an English archaeologist. يعني هل العبارة صحيحة أم خاطئة؟ إذن هو عالم آثار إنجليزي. True. Tutankhamun reigned for many years and died very old. حكم لسنوات عديدة وتوفي كبيرا. False. Was فدوى توكان given the opportunity to pursue her education? هل أعطيت الفرصة لتكمل تعليمها? No, she wasn't. Did she receive any award in her life? Mention them. هل تلقت جوائز؟ وأذكرهم. Yes, she received many awards including the United Arab Emirates Award and the Honorary Prize for Poetry. Who is Ibn Sina? He is one of the most famous scientists. Name, سمي the scientific and philosophical encyclopedia. سمي الموسوعة العلمية والفلسفية لابن سينا. His encyclopedia called The Book of Healing. True or false? هل الجملة صح أم خطأ؟ Ibn Sina is considered the father of modern medicine. True. Ibn Sina's work just included writing on physics. هل كانت كتاباته فقط بالفيزياء؟ Of course no. False. إذا لازم نكتب هاي الأسئلة على الدفتر يا شباب. Please. Now open your student book please on page number 9. Let's start exercise number 1. Match the sentence beginning from A to 4 with their endings from A to D. Then complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs in brackets. Okay, في عنا الجمل from 1 to 4. بدنا نعمل ماتش نوصلهم بنهاياتهم يعني نكمل الجملة from A to D. You have to be careful about the verbs. بدنا ننتبه للأفعال. You have to correct them. بدنا نصححهم الموجودين بين أقواس. Let's start. Number 1. I'll go shopping with my sister in the afternoon. طبعا I'll هي اختصار ل I will. Write it on your student book please. كل شي مكتوب يا ريت تكتبه عندك. إذن I'll go shopping with my sister in the afternoon with C. Then we will go to the theater with our cousins. طبعا هون we use the future simple future verb. Will بعديها الفعل infinitive. إذن one with C. 2. Sammy was playing football with A when he fell and broke his arm. You have to notice إنه عنا was playing هي past continuous. فشقها الثاني بده يكون بالsimple past. فالماضي من fall fell بالإي. Number 3. I usually read adventure stories. طبعا usually من دلائل simple present. فعنا الفعل read simple present. نشوف تكملتها with D. But now بدخول now إذا نستعمل present continuous. are is والing. بما إنه عنا I بتاخد reading a history book. Okay. The last one for I met زين الدين زيدان last summer. طبعا last من دلائل simple past الماضي with B, but I didn't meet any other famous person. طبعا هون not بحالة النيجاتيف. كيف بدي أنفي أنا السمبل past؟ بدي أنفيها باستعمال didn't والفعل بضل زي ما هو infinitive. فالإجابة didn't meet. Okay, you have to read the sentence correctly.